Class 12th. Today we'll do the continuation of isomers in coordination complex, in which we discuss about the ionization isomers, and the second one is hydrated hydrate isomers. Continue. Okay, hydrate isomers, or the another name of the hydrate isomers is solvate isomers. Okay, so this is the definition of hydrate isomers: those compound having molecular formula but different from each by whether or not a solvent molecule is directly bounded to the metal ion, or we can say central metal ion. So this is the definition which is not asked in the exam. So what is hydrated isomers, we will discuss with example. Okay, so this is the example of hydrated isomers, and what is the basic specific for that? One or more than one water molecule will be present in this coordination complex. This is the main identification of the hydrate isomerism. Okay, so here just see what the observations we have. This is the central metal atom chromium. This is the water molecule which is are acting as a ligand, 6 in number. So coordination number will be 6, and this is the counter ion Cl3 which is outside the bracket. Here we can see that the water molecule directly attached with the central metal atom. Clear? Now we are just going to react this compound with certain another compound. And one more thing I want to tell you, that this is the copper sulfate formula having 5 water molecule, and this is a kind of salt which contain 5 water molecule, that is pentahydrated molecule, which is blue in color. Suppose that I am going to anhydride this one, where I am going to remove this water molecule from it, then this blue color will disappear and white color will be appear in this case. That means to say, with water molecule, in the case of copper sulfate, it will be blue in color. Without water molecule, it will be white in color. Is that clear? Okay, now going to react this coordination complex with the copper sulfate pentahydrated. What do you mean by pentahydrated? Contain 5 water molecules, pentahydrated water molecules or salt. This is blue in color because it has